Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. Welcome back to Nature's Kitchen. And if you are new, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you have not already. उम्मीद होगा कि आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे. And if you do like my videos, please comment and also give me more ideas for videos. Be careful of laughing at others, for perhaps Allah might forgive their ignorance and not forgive your arrogance. So today we will be talking about the benefits behind dates. Khajura. There are lots and lots of benefits about these, but what even are they? I mean, I guess it's only like probably helping with, I don't know. That's probably what you're thinking, but they actually have lots of benefits. Like they help our weight loss, and they're an antidepressant, heart healthy, boosts our energy, healthy for our bones. It's an anti-aging benefit. It prevents your hair loss if your hair does fall out, and it's good for it's good for preventing strokes. It's also useful for preventing abdominal cancer and protects the lungs and mouth from developing cancer. It also improves your eyesight and it helps lower cholesterol. As I have already said, it is a treat. It boosts energy. It is a treat for anemia. It promotes your heart health. It regulates blood pressure, and it promotes gain of weight. I should have these every single day, 3 of them, and they may improve our brain health, and they're easy to add to your diet. So overall, they are good for your health as well, and they're excellent natural sweetener. And I hope you liked my video. Please tell me if you did. Allah Hafiz.